Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One word substitution. A place where fish eggs are hatched. Hatchery. A speech made without previous preparation. Extempore. A speech delivered for the first time in the assembly. Maiden speech. A speech full of too many words. A verbose speech. The study of the ancient civilization. Archaeology. The study of earthquakes. Seismology. The study of medicine for children and their diseases. Pediatrics. The study of weather. Meteorology. The study of teaching. Pedagogy. The study of origin and history of the universe. Cosmology. The study of science of insect. Entomology. Murder of a king. Regicide. Murder of a man. Homicide. Murder of one's wife. Exorcide. A disease which spreads by contact. Contagious. A formal composition or speech expressing high praise of somebody. Eulogy. A government by the nobles. Aristocracy. A language difficult to understand. Jargon. A list of books. Catalogue. A list of special or technical words with definitions. Glossary. A man who is neither intelligent nor dull. Mediocre. A paper written by hand. Manuscript. A process involving too much official formality. Red tapeism. A song embodying religious and sacred emotions. Hymn. A specialist in eye disease is called ophthalmologist. Oculist.